Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into 𝐻𝐺 3D to create a super stylish puffer jacket. Whether you are new to 3D design or just want to level up your fashion game, this tutorial's got you covered. I already made the basic jacket pattern. To create that puffed up look, we need to add quilted lines to the jacket. Let's start by creating the quilted effect on the front and back. In 𝐻𝐺 3D, we can do this by adding internal lines and adjusting the thickness of the garment. To make internal lines, select Edit Pattern tool and select the pattern edges. Then right-click, select Distribute Internal Line Between Segment. To create an internal line in the vertical direction of the selected outline, select perpendicular direction and set the number of internal lines to be created. With the help of offset, set the spacing between the internal lines. Copy to create same spacing for other sleeve. Repeat the steps. Repeat the steps for front and back as well. Select all the patterns and add set a positive value for the pressure in the property editor. I like to start off at +15 and then select all. Right click and choose Layer Clone under. Place this new copy of your patterns under your original layer in the 2D window. Now, select all the new patterns and add set a negative value for the pressure in the property editor. For example, if you use +15 for the top layer, the bottom layer should be -15. You can change the pressure values of different pattern pieces in one garment, but each top and bottom pair must have matching pressure values. Once you are happy with your design, let's simulation the final image. Now, let's add some finishing touches. A puffer jacket isn't complete without some functional elements, like a zipper or buttons. 𝐻𝐺 3D makes it easy to add trims, so let's place the zipper down the center front. Puckering allows you to create the appearance of tiny wrinkles at all of the stitch lines without deforming the mesh. You can create puckering in the object browser and adjust it to your liking. Then apply it like you would a top stitch using the puckering tools. These little details will really bring your design to life. Add whatever color you want. And just like that, we've created a stunning puffer jacket in 𝐚𝐽 3D. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a puffer jacket in 𝐚𝐽 3D. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.